In this one, we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1 problems of chapter linear equations in one variable. The question is, solve the following equation. The first question is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Here we are going to find out the value of variable x. For that one, here we are transporting the number 2 to the RHS. Here the number 2 is subtracted from the variable, so we are transposing this number to the RHS. Then it becomes positive. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to 7 becomes x is equal to 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is nothing but 9. Therefore, the solution for this equation x minus 2 is equal to 7 is x is equal to 9. It is the solution for this equation. Then we are going to check this variable x as a value is 9 satisfied for this given equation or not. For this one, we are going to substitute this value in the given equation LHS value. The LHS of equation is nothing but x minus 2. Here the value of x is 9. 9 minus 2 is nothing but 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Here the value after substituting the solution in the LHS, we get it as 7. And the given RHS value is also 7. Therefore, from this one, what we conclude is nothing but if the LHS and RHS values are equal, then the solution what we obtain by using the equation is the solution of the given equation. In the same way, we can solve some more problems. Another question is 6x is equal to 12. In this equation, here the number is multiplied with a variable. For this one, to solve this equation, we are going to divide which number is multiplied with the variable. We are going to divide that number on the both sides of this equation. That is dividing both sides by the number 6. Therefore, here become 6x by 6 is equal to 12 by 6. 12 by 6 is nothing but 6 2s are 12. Therefore, here the quotient becomes 2. And on the LHS side, 6 and 6 gets cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 2. In the similar way, if we substitute the value of x at the LHS, it should be equal to 12 only. When it is gets 12, then we say that it is the solution of that given equation. Next, another question. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Now we are going to find out the value of y here. In this equation, first we are transposing 8. First we should transpose the numbers which are added or subtracted in the equation. Okay. First here we are transposing 8 to the RHS. That is, it becomes 14y is equal to 13. Here minus 8 becomes plus 8. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. After this one, here the variable y is getting multiplied with 14. Therefore, we should divide the given equation, that is 14y is equal to 20y. 21 should be divided with the number 14. That is dividing both sides by 14. Here 14y by 14 becomes y only. We simply written it as y. Next, it becomes 21 by 14. 21 by 14 is nothing but 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. Therefore, the value of y is nothing but 3 by 2. Next, 12th question in this one. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. In this question, we are going to find out the value of variable x. For this one, first what we are going to do? We should transpose the number which is added or subtracted in the equation. That is, the given equation is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Now we are going to transpose the number 1. The transposing number 1 to the RHS, it becomes x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15. Here plus 1 becomes minus 1. 7 by 15 minus 1 is nothing but, we should take the LCM. The LCM of 15 and 1 is nothing but 15 only. Therefore, the numerators become 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15 is nothing but minus 8 by 15. Next, here the number 3 is divided with the variable x. When a number is divided with a variable, then we are going to multiply the same number with that variable on the both sides. Here multiply both sides by the number 3. Here x by 3 into 3 becomes x only. So we simply written it as x. And next this value becomes 8 by 15 into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. Therefore, the value becomes minus 8 by 5. In the same way, you can solve any equation. First, we have to observe the given equation. When a number is getting subtracted and multiplied or divided in the given equation.